Tanisha, it's been a long journey since you started learning English. Tell me, how do you feel now compared to when you first began?
Sir, I feel like a completely different person. Before, I was afraid to even say a single sentence. Now, I can speak fluently, read books, and even teach others.
That's wonderful. But I'm sure there were many challenges along the way. What was the biggest challenge you faced?
At first, grammar was so difficult for me. I would mix up tenses, and sometimes I didn't understand why a sentence was wrong.
Didi, why do you look so sad?
English is too hard. Maybe I'll never learn it.
But you always tell me not to give up. Shouldn't you do the same?
That day, I realized I was giving up too easily. If I wanted to succeed, I had to keep trying. So, I changed my method. Instead of memorizing, I started practicing in real life. I wrote a daily diary in English, talked to myself in the mirror, and even started watching English movies with subtitles. That's exactly how learning works, Tanisha. You found a method that worked for you. One of the biggest moments in my journey was my first speech in front of an audience. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share how learning English changed my life. Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to share how learning English changed my life.
That's what confidence does. You prove to yourself that you are capable.
After that, I started using English more in my daily life. I met new people, helped younger students, and even made friends from other countries online.
That's amazing, Tanisha. You're not just learning English, you're using it to connect with the world. Now tell me, what's your next goal? Where do you see yourself in the future?
Sir, now that I know English, I want to study abroad one day. I want to explore the world, learn new things, and maybe even become an English teacher like you.
That's a wonderful dream, Tanisha. And I have no doubt that you will achieve it.
I will, sir. And I'll help others do the same.
If you're struggling with English, don't give up. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and remember, every mistake is a step towards improvement.